My name is Christina and I live in San Sebastian in northern Spain, and they run a food tour company called Eat One, Feed One. Today I'm going to show you how to make tortilla de patatas, potato tortilla, which is a dish that I love because you can have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can find it throughout the whole country. The further south you go, the thicker, sturdier, and more cooked through they are. The further north you are, which is where we are, the thinner and runnier they become. This is also a dish that I like because you eat it in one of my tours. I have a tour called Eat One, Feed One Pincho Tour, which is a tour where you get to see 2 different neighborhoods of the city. You learn about the history, the culture. You understand why Basque culture is so unique and how it's so intertwined with food. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. You only need potatoes. The softer they are, the better. Eggs. Also, the fresher they are, the better. Salt to taste. And oil. You can do olive oil, a very mild olive oil, or you can do sunflower oil. That's it. Ready? We're gonna start by peeling the potatoes. Make sure that the potatoes are clean, that you've washed them properly, because you can actually save the skin and cook it with some sauteed onion. And then you can have this as a filling for a taco, or you can mix it with some eggs and have it for breakfast. Once you've done peeling the potato, I'm gonna put it in cold, clean water so that it doesn't oxidate. Next step, cascar las patatas, or tronchar las patatas, or cut in irregular pieces like your grandmother used to do it. What you have to do is you put your knife into the potato and you wait for the crack and just cut it. So, if you want to do it at the same size, do it. If you want to cascar the potato, cascar the potato. So now what you want to do is you want to cook the potato, and you want to pour a lot of olive oil. You want to make sure that the oil covers the potatoes. You don't want to fry it, you want to poach it. Low temperature, 20-30 minutes. It's wine time. So what we're gonna have is a wine from Rioja, the most famous wine region that we have in Spain, super close to San Sebastian. A Tempranillo grape. Tempranillo just comes from the word temprano, which means it matures earlier, and it's also a really ecological wine. I think they're doing really interesting things in Rioja, and they're also doing really interesting things with young wines. And the best thing to do is to have as much wine as you can to try and figure out which style you prefer. So, come to Rioja, come to San Sebastian, and try some wine with me. Salud. If you want to get your eggs ready, you don't want to over whisk because you don't want to get too much oxygen in, and also do not add any salt right now. You want to add the salt later. Check if the potatoes are ready. Use a stick or a knife and poke through it. If it's soft, then it's done. You don't want it to be super mushy or hard, so this is perfect. Now you want to strain the potatoes, let them cool so that you can mix them with the eggs, because you don't want the eggs to cook right now. And also remember, the oil underneath, you can still use it again. Now it's time to mix. So you want to get a bowl where you can fit all the potatoes or in the eggs. This is the time to add the salt. Mix it in, and you're ready to go to the pan. Coat your pan with enough olive oil that it doesn't stick, and you heat it up. So test it with a little bit of egg to see if it's ready, and pour the whole mixture in. Let it cook for 30 seconds, a minute. Okay, I know it might be a little bit weird, but you can actually taste the potato now, and if it needs salt, this is a good time to add more salt. Okay, flipping time. Get it out of the heat, get your plate, put it on top, and make sure that your hand is as close to the pan without getting burnt as you can. Okay, ready? Una, dos. Whoop! Yes! If you see that the pan doesn't have enough oil, you can add a little more oil. And then you want to slide it back in. Put it back into shape. We've actually made it quite toasty, but I've also seen people that keep it for less on the heat and flip it, put it back in, flip it and put it back in until it's the color that they want. You can touch it to see how cooked through it is. Okay, so now that you've cooked it from the bottom, you want to shake it to make sure that it hasn't stuck. You want to flip it again. Get your plate. Do the exact same thing. Because you've cooked that side less, it's going to be a different color. Get the plate that you want to present it on and flip it again. Ta-da! Let it sit for 5 minutes. It's going to be easier to cut. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you feel inspired to cook it at home and have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Share it with anyone who might enjoy this and let me know. Remember that when the world is back to normal, I will be waiting for you here in San Sebastian to take you around to eat the most amazing food and also give back to the city.